The Singleton design pattern. Why every developer should know about it. Welcome to my channel, where we talk about everything related to software development. Today we're discussing the Singleton design pattern, a design pattern that every developer should know about. Have you ever heard the phrase, there should be only one instance of a class, and it should be easily accessible? That's precisely what the Singleton design pattern is all about. It's a creational design pattern that ensures the creation of only one instance of a class in a system, and provides global access to that instance. The Singleton pattern is so straightforward yet powerful that you can easily implement it to make your application more robust. It's so widespread that you must have used it without even realizing it. For those of you who are new to software development, the Singleton design pattern is an excellent place to start. Let's dive deeper into what the Singleton design pattern is and why you should use it. What is the Singleton design pattern? A Singleton class is a class that can have only one object created or instantiated for it. But why is that important? Suppose you have a class that connects to a database. In that case, you want to ensure that only one instance of the database connection can be created across your entire application, right? Otherwise, you'll waste system resources and run the risk of the application crashing. So, in essence, the Singleton design pattern ensures the creation of only one instance of a class within your application, and provides a global point of access to that instance. How to implement the Singleton design pattern? One way to implement the Singleton design pattern is to use a private constructor that prevents the creation of additional instances of a class while returning the existing instance. This implementation is thread-safe and can be used in any environment. Here's an example of how you can implement the Singleton design pattern using Java. Why should you use the Singleton design pattern? The Singleton design pattern is an essential tool for any developer to know about. It can help you achieve better performance, reduce memory usage, and provide a centralized point of control in your application. By ensuring that only one instance of a class is created, you can prevent resource wastage in your system. Additionally, the Singleton design pattern is an ideal choice for applications that involve shared resources. It can also simplify debugging by providing a centralized point of control in your code base. In short, the Singleton design pattern ensures that your code is more efficient, less prone to errors, and easier to maintain. Remember to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on our latest videos. Until next time, happy coding, and don't forget to stay curious.